Hi guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So, if you wish to clear cache and speed up your device, just enroll the settings, go to apps, and enroll the list of all apps that you have. Now pick the particular one, go to storage, and here tap on clear cache, and just go the same thing, the same cleanup for all apps that you have. Start with those that you use most frequently, because some of them may have nothing to clear. Just go and clear cache this way. So this is it. It will definitely speed up your device. Just remove all cache that you have stored. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.